Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I picked up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty Steals. There is one product that I actually picked up at Sephora because Ulta didn't have it on sale. But yeah, just here to share with you all what I picked up. If you love haul videos, definitely continue watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I don't know if I'm sick or if I have allergies. Like, I can't figure it out. Like, I still have like itchiness in my throat, but then I have like cold symptoms, but then I don't. So I don't even know if I'm sick and have allergies. I don't even know. But I have been taking like allergy meds and like cold meds. So I don't know. I just have something going on. But anyways, if I sound weird, that is why. But I wanted to share with you all what I picked up because yesterday or a few days ago, it was the last day of the beauty steals, or on Friday. Today's Saturday. So yeah, it was. Oh, I placed my order on Thursday night and I received it Saturday. So that was super fast shipping. I thought they said I wasn't going to get it until Thursday next week. So Friday was the beauty steals of everything that they had on sale during the Ulta steals. So I did place the order. So that's what's in here. And then I did place like 3 or 4 orders before then. But we're just going to jump right in. So the first thing I picked up was the Half Magic Glitter Puck. This one is in the shade Glimmer Pop. It's a glitter puck in the shade Glimmer Pop. I have the Dopamine Sparkle, I think. But I had gone in store the day before this was going to go 50% off. And I went and swatched them all. I was almost tempted to pick up the blue one too. Then the ice that... Oh my gosh, where did it fall before I move? Crazy. But it's right here. Okay. It did fall on the ground, but I'm still gonna wear it. Wow, it's like not even attached. I wonder if I could go exchange it because it's obviously not even attached in there, like it's moving. I don't think the other one is that way. Maybe I should go and exchange it. We'll see. But that happened on camera. So, but this one's really pretty. I did, again, swatch them all. This one is definitely more of like a sheer white sparkle. It's really, really pretty. I did swatch the, I don't remember what it's called, the white one, the white silver one, and that one was too silver for my liking. I like this one and the Dopamine Sparkle. I think that's what it's called. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Because it's more like a sheer glitter. And it just looks really pretty and sparkly on the lids. If you just apply a little bit, it just looks really beautiful on the hand. I might try to exchange this one because it fell out. But I don't think the other one that I have is this way. Okay. The next thing I picked up was this Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. Why does it sound like so complicated? Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. And I picked up the shade Pillow Talk. I was waiting for this at Ulta. I wanted this shade and I also wanted Peach Gasm. I have Pink Gasm and I really like it. It just looks really beautiful on the cheeks and glowy and just really, really nice. So I wanted this one and Peach Gasm. But Ulta only had Pink Gasm and Spotlight, I think, on sale. And usually beauty steals go live at 10 p.m. PST the day before. And I waited, refreshed my phone, refreshed my computer, and those shades never came up. Like, it wasn't all of the shades for Charlotte Tilbury. It was only a couple of the shades. So what I did was I went on Sephora. I probably have like sparkle now. And I just noticed I don't have anything on my lips. It's fine. I don't feel good. I have like a slightly runny nose. Like, again, I don't even know if it's allergies or being sick. But anyways, so I went into Sephora or online Sephora, and they had Pillow Talk highlighter on sale. So I picked this up at Sephora for half off. And again, it's the shade Pillow Talk. And yeah, I was like, okay, beauty steals are Ulta thing, and now Sephora's matching the prices, but they don't have the same shades on sale. So this is just a highlighter color. It's like a really light pink color. It looks really pretty. It's right there. Didn't really swatch it in a good spot, so let's do it over here. Right there. It's so pretty. I'm looking forward to using this and trying it. I need to shop my stash, so I'm definitely going to pick all these new products to use and test out and go from there. Another products that I picked up, BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy brush, and this is the A506, so it's a concealer brush. I was thinking of buying two, but I only ended up buying one, and I actually really like this. It's like really nice. I like the shape of it to blend out concealer, and it's just really nice. It would be good for concealer or for corrector. I don't know. So far, I've been enjoying it. I've only used it a couple times, but I've really been enjoying it. I could have probably gotten another one, especially when they all came back on sale, like all of the items, but I'm good with just the one. I have a ton of brushes, so, but I definitely wanted to try it out. The next products that I picked up are these Tarte Maracuja Juicy Multi-Sticks, and I was definitely interested in these because I really like the Charlotte Tilbury stick blushes, and they're really nice and glowy. So I ended up getting two of these shades. I got the shade Bubblegum and Tutu, and I haven't swatched them yet, but I have opened them to see them. Do you guys think I should? I might go to Ulta and see. Oh, okay, I just remembered. Go see if I could exchange my glitter puck because that thing fell out. And then I don't know if it matters actually. We'll probably be fine. Go. It'll be fine. I'm not gonna go exchange it. Anywho, back to this. This is in the shade Bubblegum. So I just realized that I remembered, like, whatever you pump up, like, be careful, because if you pump it up too high, you're not gonna be able to bring it back down. It's kind of like their actual juicy lip ones. So let's see, where can I swatch this? So this is a pink. Oh, cute. I don't have very many of these like pinky tone shades. So this one's in the shade Bubblegum. And then I also picked up the shade Tutu. And I believe this one was more of like a everyday nude color. Yeah, ish. So right there, they're kind of similar. I probably should have went in store to swatch them, but you can tell like one's more pink than the other one. This one does still look pink, the Tutu, but it looks a little more pinky nude, whereas this one's definitely more pink. Overall, still cute. I'll wear them both. So yeah, we'll go from there. So again, Friday night, they brought everything back that was on sale. So I placed a big-ish order and picked up these items here. So the first item in this box is an eye cream. I missed the sale. This is the Lancome Dual Recovery Concentrated Eye Cream. I've heard really great things about this product from my friend Rania, and I definitely wanted to pick this up during the Ulta sales, and I totally forgot that it was coming up on sale, and I just forgot. And once everything came back and saw that this was part of the steals, I jumped on it. I've been the slacker the last like month or so to like really wash my face and apply skincare at night. I've been noticing like more fine lines too, so I need to get back on track and do skincare more consistently every single day and night. Mariela, don't forget to do that. But I've heard really good things about this for like fine lines and crow's feet, and it just has really good reviews what I've seen. So I definitely wanted to try this out. It was still kind of expensive even being on sale, but I think for like regular prices almost like $90. So getting it half off I think is goodish. It's more of a regular priced item, but I'm glad I'm getting to try it out. Hopefully it helps these wrinkles that I'm starting to get. I don't remember these being part of the steals unless I just missed them, because I would have definitely bought in some like when I saw them during the steal. So this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Oh, I just realized this is a goof proof. I thought I was ordering the Gimme Brow. Is that why? I was like, oh, let me order these. Oh, shoot. I think I ordered the wrong ones. This is a goof proof. Isn't this the thick one? Oh, dummy. I remember seeing the goof proof. I freaking had a mistake. Oh, well, I'm sure I'll use these. So this is the shade number 6. I got soft black. I thought I was getting Gimme Brow. What a little dummy. Duh. Like, this one's I remember being part of the steals, and I did not want these. I was going to risk it and not get them, but obviously I just ended up getting these. Well, this looks weird compared to the other one. The other one has more of like a pokey one, pointy. Dang it! I thought I was getting the other one, but it's fine. This is definitely the thicker. The point is the thicker one. Dang it! I confused it. I could always return them too. I'll use them. It's a brow pencil. This will be easier to fill in, I guess. Oh well, I messed up, but I was thinking I was getting Gimme Brow and I got goof proof, but I got 3 of these. I was gonna get 4 and I took one out, so I'm sure I'll use those. I'll be fine. I don't need to return anything. And this one I've heard, I think, mixed reviews on. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerized Volume Mascara. I really like volumizing mascaras, and usually I just buy drugstore mascaras, but when they're half off, they're pretty much drugstore price, so I figured let's go ahead and try it out. It says it's 28-hour exaggerated flash volume curl effect. I usually just get volumizing mascara, so if this is volumizing and curling, like, cool, let's try it out and see. But this is what the packaging looks like, and her lashes look pretty good. right there. So we'll see how it does. For my lashes, it says it's 94% of people saw instant volume, 90% saw root to tip curl, and then 95% of people agree eyes look bigger and brighter. I'm not really sure how a mascara, when you're applying it to your lashes, your eyes look brighter, but we will try this out. And then I got a free gift with purchase with the benefit. I got the Bounce Bad Gal Fuller, Fluffier Volumizing Mascara. So looking forward to trying that out. We'll see. And then I did get 2 of the Fui 3D Volumizing Glosses. I got one for 70% gloss, and I got the shade Vanilla, and then the 30% gloss I got in Cherry Cola. My friend Rania told me that she really liked these, that she had picked 1 or 2 up, I'm not really sure. But then I also had seen Morgan Turner's YouTube video, and she recommended going 70% on the lighter shades, and then 30% on the deeper shades. Just because of opacity. I think that's what it's mostly for, like the percentage wise. So this one in Vanilla is 70. So let's swatch it out. Like, this is pretty cute packaging. It's kind of bulky, but it smells good. It smells fruity. Okay, cute. I like the color right there. So this one's in the shade Vanilla. And then this other one that I got was in the shade Cherry Cola. And then this last big order actually used a gift card that I got from Christmas. So this one's in Cherry Cola, 30%. Smells pretty good. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, it's still cute. I like the opacity of it. So this one's Cherry Cola, and the one over there is Vanilla. I like the color, so I definitely picked good. Looking forward to trying these. My friend really liked them, and I've heard really good things about these as well. So looking forward to trying those. I'm probably most likely going to pick all these things for during my Shop My Stash. I'm probably going to film that after this video. And the last thing, this wasn't part of the 21 Days of Beauty steals, but I did pick up the Sol de Janeiro Sundays in Rio perfume mist. I have one from Bath & Body Works. I think it's called Pink Obsessions, that I've been using for work, and I'm literally like almost done with it. So I figured this would be a good scent to start using for work as well. Just mist, like a perfume mist is better than wearing like an actual perfume to work. So I'm gonna use this for work most likely, but I really like this. When I went in to swatch the Half Magic glitter pucks, I smelled this in store and I actually really liked it, and it was on sale I think for like $18, so figured let's throw it in my cart and check out. So those are all the products that I picked up during the steals. Let me know if you picked up any of the products that I mentioned. What do you think of them, or have you tried any of these products in the past, and what do you think of them? I was gonna say, I don't think I mentioned it, but with these Tarte blushes, I really like the Charlotte Tilbury. I think I mentioned while I was talking about them that I like the Charlotte Tilbury because they're glowy, and I heard that these ones are pretty similar. They're not matte, that they're more on the glowy side, so I'm excited or looking forward to trying these out, just because they sound like if they're pretty much similar to the Charlotte Tilburys, I'm definitely gonna enjoy that. I feel like I wish I would have gotten different colors, but they do kind of look different, but it's okay. Maybe that's something that I should go exchange, but we will be fine, I think. We'll see. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you picked up during the Ulta deals, or did you end up going to Sephora because Ulta didn't have it? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!